World premiere of 100 autonomous electric mining trucks in zero-carbon operation.
这就是我们的100台无人矿卡。安全是我们考虑的第一要素。
100 mining trucks achieve L4 autonomous operation 24/7, supported by a triple emergency braking system and a multi-modal neural perception network for robust safety redundancy. Validated through 350,000 kilometers under extreme cold and saturated mining environments. Built upon 260,000 cubic meters of stripping data, 2,500 plus fault codes, 60 core technical upgrades, and over 50 algorithm iterations, forging the smart mining core with hundreds of patents.
零碳矿山才会绿水青山。
A mighty steel fleet powered by green photovoltaic energy achieves zero carbon emissions across all operations. Transporting 100 million cubic meters of earth reduces carbon dioxide emissions by 48,000 tons. As 5G base stations redefine remote landscapes, engineers integrate advanced digital systems into zero-carbon mines achieving centimeter-level precision.
商业上的可行性，才能让我们走得更远。
A fleet of 100 mining trucks and excavators of collaborates with centimeter-level precision, achieving over 22 effective working hours daily. Each operational cycle is shortened by 8 minutes, enabling 8 additional hauls per day, and saving 27.2 million RMB in annual labor costs. A 6-minute rapid battery swap, battery thermal management system, and ensure unlimited battery life in extremely cold weather of minus 40 degrees Celsius. 120% higher than manual operations. World premiere of 100 autonomous electric mining trucks in zero-carbon operation. XCMG expands application boundaries through technological depth, enhances service quality with digital breadth, and safeguards our planet with ecological commitment, building a sustainable future for human engineering civilization.